My GE dryer is getting power but the clean lint filter keeps coming on. We have replaced the hose in the back and this is a new house and we have cleaned the filter in the dryer, so what is wrong?
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It is one of the full-size stackables and is approximately 10 years old, however it was in our vacation home and has been used very little. The model number is and the serial number is.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The dryer is heating on the timed cycle, but the...
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. I may also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. To do not panic, just wait for my reply. Thank you. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, please ignore IT. Have you run the dryer with it not connected to the venting to see if you still get this error? And normally the vent hose to the wall is only a fraction of the dryer venting to the outside of the home.
We will be moving the dryer tomorrow and we'll see if the warning stays with it not connected. Also, this is a newly built house and it should not be the venting inside the house, but if the warning goes away when we check it with it not connected to the vent, I will contact the builder. I will let you know tomorrow. Thanks.
No problem, sounds good. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box. Just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance.
The dryer seems to be okay. We just unplugged it and when we started it back up the warning went away. Thanks.
Yes, so by unplugging the dryer you essentially rebooted the control board and cleared the error. Thank you, have a safe weekend. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.